is where it's at, baby. First of all here, let's y'all give a round of applause here for two-time WWE Tag Team Champion, the WWE legend, Anvil Neidhart. Thank you for coming on out here, traveling all this way to entertain all of you fans. There's one last thing I'd like to do, and that's call on out my good friend, who I've had the pleasure of teaming up with, who I've had the pleasure of getting in the ring with. And I'm talking about the man who just wrestled his last match here, Travis Lee. Travis Lee would come on out here.
Let's go, Travis!
Here. No, just go. That's right.
Travis Lee, if you'd come on out to this ring here.
Hey, you gotta get over there. Go on the other side of the wood. Go around. Keep going. Thank you.
Give it up for Travis Lee, everybody. Travis Lee, I want to say what an honor and a privilege it's been to know you, to have been in the ring with you on a few occasions. I consider you like a brother. You've been a great friend to me. You've been an inspiration in my life and to a lot of people that we've known over the years. Travis, I want to tell you, God bless you. I wish you the best in your retirement. And I'd like to also call out a man some of you know as Red Lightning. Please come to the ring. A man who's been like best friends here with Mr. Travis Lee. I know you got some words you want to say.
Travis, congratulations. 18 years you were wrestling, huh? It's a long time. Travis has been a great friend of mine for about, 15 years. And we've had some great matches in the ring, and a good friend outside the ring, and I just wanted to come in and congratulate you, and good luck. Hopefully you see you around.
Thank you, Travis.
Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Woo!
That breeze wasn't good.
Yeah! You're the better.
North American Heavyweight Wrestling Champion.
Honorary.
You sure you're going to retire, or is that just like Brett Favre?
You got 2 or 3 innings. Yeah, thank you, Travis. Woo!
Thank you, Travis.
Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you, Travis. Thank you.
I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming out here tonight for EPW's 1-year anniversary event. People enough here who've been with us a year ago to this day from the beginning. And I can't tell you the chills I get down my spine every time I come out here for you people. I can't thank you all enough. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you'll continue to stick with us, because there's a lot more Elite Pro Wrestling left. We ain't done yet. We still have some more unfinished business. We're going to keep entertaining you fans, and we're going to keep giving you people what you want. And that is the best wrestlers there is. Thank you.
here. These are the babies here. This is the future here at EPW. Anvil! 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 Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you. Let's go do some beer. Yeah! Cheers. Let's party. Woo! Good job, guys. I'm going down here.
Backs Hart Attacks.